Hello all. Welcome to this video. My name is Gina and I hold a full-time job as a human resource associate. I also own my own business called Shine with Gina B. I am a wife and I have 3 children. And part of my business that I own is to empower women, help women to feel more self-confident and more, I don't want to say more beautiful because we're all beautiful, but I want women to feel beautiful inside their own souls. And so that is why I have my business. So what I want to talk to you about today is, as a plus size woman myself, I want to give 3 tips to helping plus size women feel beautiful and empowered, and most importantly, confident in who they are. A confident woman is the most beautiful thing you will ever see, and it doesn't have anything to do about shape or size. Confidence just eludes beauty. It just spews out of people when they're confident. And it's not a cocky self-confidence that I'm talking about at all, but it's just, you know, overweight people sometimes shrink inside themselves, and they tend to do things that hide themselves. And, you know, of course we can lose weight if we choose to, but what about right now? Right now, today, who you are. You're not going to go from 200 pounds to 150 pounds by tomorrow morning. You're not going to go from 300 pounds to 200 pounds by tomorrow morning. But right now, today, you are alive and you have something to give and you have a purpose. So what can we do right now, today, right now, this very day, to help you feel more confident, more self-assured, and beautiful in your own skin? So my first tip is, fix your hair. I see a lot of women, both overweight and not overweight, but this video is about plus size women. So I will see a lot of plus size women who do not fix their hair. They either let it grow out really, really long and straight. They let the grays start growing in. They don't really style it. And so that doesn't help you to feel prettier. Okay, there's nothing wrong with doing that. I want to preface this whole video by saying I'm not picking on anybody. You should be you. Do you. If that is you, do you. And if that is you, you'll be confident. Okay, that's the whole point of this video. But if you're not so confident, these are things that can help you build confidence. Okay, so if you're you and you're confident and you're bold and you're loving your life, you do you. This video is for somebody who is not doing themselves, who feels inferior. And that's who I'm talking to today, okay? So, get up and fix your hair. Brush it, comb it, curl it, wash it, put it in a bun, a messy bun, get some hair accessories, do something. Do something. Get to a beautician, get a new haircut, and when I say a haircut, get a style. Get a hairstyle. Personally speaking, I prefer to see women who are getting up in their years with a little bit shorter of a hairstyle rather than real long. That will tend to age you. And so we're already feeling a little bit underconfident because of our weight. We don't need to feel underconfident because of our age too. So we don't need to feel old and overweight. So do your hair. Get a good curling iron. I use this a lot, a straightener, but I know how to, use it to put curls on. There's tons of videos on YouTube of teach you how to do that. Just find yourself a hairdresser, ask her what she thinks would look good on you, and do that. The second thing, when you leave your house, put on some makeup. Makeup will make you feel so much more confident and awake if you do not already feel that way. Again, let me repeat, I don't need a bunch of haters saying you don't need makeup to be beautiful. You're right, you do not. You absolutely do not need makeup to make yourself feel beautiful. However, if you are lacking in that department anyways, makeup can help you to feel more confident, more awake, like you have done something for yourself. And when you feel that way inside, you act that way. So, no, you don't need makeup to make you feel beautiful, but I use my makeup to make me feel more confident, to make me feel more beautiful, and then that comes out in my day-to-day life. My business deals with cosmetics, so I can help you figure out ways to use makeup to gain self-confidence. So we'll get back to that in a minute with the makeup. My third tip for feeling more motivated and more positive is get out of your sweatpants, get out of your t-shirts, and put on a pretty top with some decent pants or a pair of jeans. Get yourself a pair of boots or something that makes you feel nice. You don't have to hide underneath baggy t-shirts and sweatpants when you go out. You know, when you're at home and you want to be comfy, girls, let me tell you, I'm a hot mess. I have ripped up shirts that I've had for 20 years that I wear and I love, and they're my softies, and that's what I do. But when I go out or when I go to work, this is what I look like. My hair is done, my makeup is on, and I have on a nice outfit that complements the figure that I do have. And that's it. Those are my 3 tips for building your self-confidence as a plus-size woman. Fix your hair, do your makeup, get a couple cute outfits. That simple. And you will notice the difference in yourself. So back to the makeup gig, I can totally help you find quick, easy ways. If you've never worn makeup because you don't want anybody to notice your face, we want to change that. We want to change that around, and I can help you do that. I would love to help you do that. That is what my whole business is about, is helping you feel beautiful. So you can contact me at any time. Comment below if you want to work one-on-one with me. I'd be happy to show you some tips and tricks and get you started with a couple products that'll help you in your makeup and beauty. We have skincare as well. You can check out my website at www.shinewithginab.com. And I'll put that down below as well, so you can always have access to my website. But my business is not to sell you makeup. My business is to help you feel confident, self-assured, and beautiful right now, today, in your own skin. So let's start off 2018 with a bang. Let's change how we look. Let's change how we feel about ourselves. And let's show the world, plus size or not, we are gorgeous. See you soon. Bye-bye.